Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or translate your language on your Etsy account. Keep watching the video till the end. To translate or change your language on Etsy, firstly open your Etsy application. The home page of Etsy will appear on the screen. Click on View option on the bottom of the page. Click on Settings. On the next page, among the given options, tap on Select Language option. Choose the language, confirm it by clicking on OK, and that is how you can change or translate your language on your Etsy application. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.